Good afternoon, dear students. Last day we studied about our religious composition of India, then occupational structure, and the first chapter is completed. Now we start our next chapter, that means second chapter, which name is migration. Firstly, I will tell you a story of a person who named as Rambabu. Rambabu, working as an engineer in Bhilai steel plant, Chhattisgarh, was born in a small village of district Bhojpur, Bihar. At an early age of 12, he moved a nearby town, Ara, to complete his intermediate level studies. He went to Sindri, Jharkhand, for his engineering degree, and he got a job at Bhilai. So, at present, Rambabu working as an engineer in Bhilai steel plant, Chhattisgarh, which was situated in Chhattisgarh. But he was born in a small village of district Bhojpur in Bihar. He moved to nearby town, which name is Ara, to complete his intermediate level studies. Then he went to Sindri for engineering degree, and then he got a job at Bhilai, where he is living for the last 31 years. His parents were illiterate, and the only source of their livelihood was income from the agriculture. They spent their whole life in that village. That means his parents, that means Rambabu's parents were illiterate person, and their main income source coming from agricultural land, and they spent their whole life in the village, in that village. Rambabu has 3 children who got their education up to the intermediate level at Bhilai, and then they moved to different places for higher education. First one studied at Allahabad and Mumbai and is presently working in Delhi as a scientist. The second child got her higher education from different universities in India, and now he is working in USA. The third one, after finishing her education, settled at Surat after marriage. So this is the story of Rambabu. Now, this is not a story only in Rambabu and his children, but such movements are increasingly becoming universal trends. People have been moving from one village to another village, and also one city to another city, one country to another country, etc. In this chapter, the chapter name is migration, that means movement of people. In this chapter, we will discuss about the movement of people from one country to another country or within a country. People have been moving from one village to another village, etc. In your book, Fundamental of Human Geography, you have already learned about the concept of definition of migration. Actually, the book Fundamental of Human Geography, it is also a part of our syllabus, but we did not start yet. Migration has been an integral part and very important factor in distributing population over time and space. So migration is an important factor in our human life. India has witnesses the waves of migration coming to the country from Central and West Asia, and also from Southeast Asia. In fact, the history of India is a history waves of migrants coming from different parts of the world. So it is the main thing, that is what is migration. Migration means movement of people from one place to another place. Okay.